Hey yo! I'm finishing off another bathroom. This is the toilet. That's the bathroom there. I'm just doing the silicone now, and then I'll wipe out the floor, wipe down the walls a bit, and I'm out of here. Another one done. So we'll just zap the silicone in. Whoop, 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 whoop. This is how you do it, everyone. DIYs. Don't be scared. Bang it in. You can't go wrong with a paddle pop stick, some soapy water, why so many people stuff it up, I do not know. This is just your normal sort of like hand wash soft soap, but this is the sucker that is the winner. And these, of course, paddle pop stick, but look at this. It's a no-brainer. There's no need to struggle. You don't need to tape everything off. That's rubbish. Soapy water. And you're laughing. Plumber comes in tomorrow. He'll be fitting off. Shower screen comes in. The guy comes in to measure up tomorrow morning. 6:45. Take 3 or 4 days to make it. Bodge uncle. Give it a squirt. Never come right out to where you've just finished though. Always stop a couple inches before the end of your silicone, so you're not wetting the floor. Look at that! No brainer. Alright, I've hit a bit of grout there. That's alright, just scrape it out. And yet again, that comes in handy. Ooh, 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 ooh. You're probably thinking, far out, what's he on? Nah, I'm on life. I'm on good life, everyone. I love my job. I'm excited every morning. I get up. I'm excited. It's a great way to be. But don't get me wrong, it always hasn't been like that. But you change your thinking and your life will change. Whoop. It's all in the way you think. I'll say it again, change the way you think and your life will change. Whooshka. There's no need to struggle. People will only struggle because they think they have to. Everyone is so conditioned out there, it's ridiculous. There we go. I'll get out of here now. I've just got to do this other side. I'll come back when I'm doing the bathroom. Hooroo! See you soon.